What's the meaning of corrugated? Corrugated. Corrugated.
Corrugated. Corrugated. Corrugated describes a surface that has a series of ridges or grooves, often parallel to one another. This texture creates a series of peaks and valleys that add strength, flexibility, and insulation to materials like paper, cardboard, and metal. The result of corrugation is an increase in stiffness and durability, making it a popular choice for a wide range of applications, from packaging to construction. Corrugated materials are also known for their ability to absorb shock and protect the contents of whatever they contain. Overall, corrugation is an effective way to enhance the functionality and performance of various materials.